Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Zeus Giovanni, the fragrance aficionado, and we are back with another unboxing. Today, I'm going to do a Maison Alhambra scent that's been very hard to get. It's a take on Tom Ford's Vanilla Sex, a dupe, clone, whatever you want to call it. But here we go. This is your box. Here's the bottle. And as you can see, it's got the same kind of colors as the Vanilla Sex bottle from Tom Ford. They had to change up the style, I heard, though, from the ones that looked so much like the Tom Ford. You know what I'm talking about. But here we go with the atomizer check. It does not feel pressurized in this one. I can tell you right off top, we get that bitter almond smell. Almost immediately off top. Tiny bit of vanilla, but it's strong almond in the beginning. Let me read off these notes to you real quick. We got bitter almond on top. Your middle notes are vanilla and floral notes. And then we get vanilla absolute, tonka bean, and sandalwood in the base. Again, this is a take on Tom Ford's Vanilla Sex in their private collection. It is Maison Alhambra's Sensual Vanilla. Like, follow, and subscribe, and you all stay blessed.